Ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Time to let go of 2011 and welcome in a brand new year. And the world-famous Velvet Room is just about to do it as Alex Goodwin and Ciroc Vodka bring you the 7th annual New Year's Eve All Black Extravaganza.
I'm the man.
Yes, the Velvet Room will be the home of the biggest New Year's Eve celebration in the city. Join us as we say goodbye to 2011 and bring in the new year with a bang. Mark my word, this will be a sold-out event. Get your $25 advance tickets right now at velvetatl.com and come be a part of the sexiest and most elegant New Year's Eve party in the entire city. The 7th annual New Year's Eve All Black Extravaganza at the Velvet Room. And do know this, we come to party our way into 2012. That's why there's an open bar until 11:30. New Year's Eve at the Velvet Room. Dress code enforced. This is an all-black affair. Ladies, put on that sexy black dress. Fellas, throw on the black suit. Advance tickets available now at velvetatl.com. Brought to you by Alex Goodwin and Ciroc Vodka. Don't miss it.